Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which mode of genetic exchange between bacteria involves cell-to-cell contact between the bacterial cell? A. Transduction. B. Transformation. C. Conjugation. D. A and B. So the correct option is C. Conjugation. The next MCQ is this regulates the selective permeability of the plasma membrane, allowing movement of molecules according to the needs of the cell. A. Membrane proteins. B. Membrane carbohydrates. C. Membrane glycolipids. And D. Membrane cholesterol. So the correct option is A. Membrane proteins. The next MCQ is the neuron is said to be polarized when the A inside of the plasma membrane has a negative energy compared to the outside. B inside of the plasma membrane has a positive energy compared to the outside. C inside of the plasma membrane has same energy compared to the outside. And D positive charge moves inside the neuron. So the correct option is A. Inside of the plasma membrane has a negative energy compared to the outside. The next MCQ is which part of the brain plays a key role in long-term memory? A. Thalamus. B. Hippocampus. C. Hypothalamus. And D. Amygdala. So the correct option is B. Hippocampus. The next MCQ is which of the following is an example of hydrolysis? A. Transmethylase, B. Oxygenase, C. Peroxidase, and D. Phosphatase. So the correct option is D. Phosphatase. The next MCQ is all of the following are true about neutrophils except A. Most dependent from of WBC. C. Have a short lifespan. C. Made by the thymus gland. And D. Released by the bone marrow. So the correct option is C. Made by the thymus gland. The next MCQ is according to new Darwinism, which of the following is the cause of evolution? A. Reproductive isolation. B. Infinite large population. C. Environmental stability. And D. Both A and B. So the correct option is A. Reproductive isolation. The next MCQ is Darwin's origin. Darwin's origin of species by natural selection is mainly concerned with A. Origin of life, B. Adaptation, C. Extension, and D. Speciation. So the correct option is B. Adaptation. The next MCQ is the sinoarterial nodes is located in the dash wall of the right atrium. A. Lower dorsal. B. Upper dorsal. C. On the interarterial septum. And D. Near the coronary sinus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what does the trachea lie in relation to the esophagus? A. Dorsal. B. Ventral. C. Medial. And D. Lateral. So the correct option is B. Ventral. The next MCQ is which of the following is true about bradykinin? A. It is produced at the site of the tissue injury. B. It has no role in the leakage of fluid into the tissue inflammation. C. It destroys phagocytes. D. It produces interferon gamma. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is a prokaryotes? A. Protista. B. E. coli. C. Amoeba. And D. Fungi. So the correct option is B. Amoeba. The next MCQ is endospore formation is A reproductive process. B. A vegetative process. C. Can be reproductive or vegetative depending on the condition. And D. Is related to invading host cells. So the correct option is B. A vegetative process. The next MCQ is which among the following is not the role of Sertoli cells? A. Protects sperms. B. Provides medium liquid medium to sperms. C. Provides nourishment to sperms. And D. Secretes testosterone. So the correct option is D. The next MCQs is at the beginning of the menstrual phase, the dash are at the lowest level. A. Follicle stimulating hormone. B. Gonadotropins. And D. Ovarian hormones. And D. None of these. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which cartilage is found at the end of long bones? A. Calcified. B. Elastic. C. Fibrous. And D. Hyaline. So the correct option is D. Hyaline. The next MCQ is how many actin filaments surrounds the myosin at each end? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. And D. 8. So the correct option is C. 6. The next MCQ is which are Rh antibodies produce and Rh negative poisons. A. Naturally before birth. B. Naturally after birth. C. After exposure to Rh antigen. And D. After exposures to Rh antibodies. So the correct option is A. Naturally before birth. The next MCQ is which of the following types of hemophilia is more common in the human population? A. Hemophilia A. B. Hemophilia B. C. Hemophilia C. And D. Hemophilia 4. So the correct option is A. Hemophilia A. The next MCQs is Perazo are simple multicellular animal which are believed to have evolved from A. Bacteria, B. Protista, C. Fungi, and D. Plants. So the correct option is B. Protista. Thanks for joining me. I hope these and MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.